Hello and welcome to another Scuderia car parts video. Today we've got another customer's Ferrari 812 Superfast. This time it's finished in Rosso Corsa, and we've done quite a few things to it. The first thing that you will notice immediately is that rear lip spoiler. So that rear lip spoiler comes from Novitec, and as always the carbon fibre weave perfectly matches the carbon fibre weave that Ferrari use from factory. You'll also notice that the tricolore enamel plaque that used to sit there on the tailgate is now on the wing itself, so that was just a case of removing that and then resticking it. If we look at the exhaust surrounds, those are also finished in Novitec's carbon fibre. If we come around to the front of the car, we've done two bits of carbon. We have done the front grille surround, which looks stunning, and then the front spoiler. Again in the Ferrari carbon fibre weave. Now if we take a little step back, what you'll notice is that the car sits ever so slightly lower than normal, and that is due to Novitec's sport springs, which if we come to the back, you may well actually be able to see. Yeah, there you go. So those are the Novitec sport springs, and if you have a look here, you'll notice that in here we have installed Novitec spacers. I think we've installed 20mm at the rear and 15mm at the front, and as always the springs are variable rate, and what that means is that when you install them you're not going to sort of hurt the ride quality of the car. A lot of people worry about sort of increased stiffness following installing any aftermarket suspension pieces. We can assure you that that is not the case with this car. In fact, it's just as compliant as it ever was, but you'll notice that under load the car is much more predictable. It sort of stiffens up and it will just sort of hold itself better. There's a lot less body roll, and there's a lot less diving of the nose and sort of pitching up of the nose under acceleration. Now, when we spoke to the customer initially, he told us that he really wanted the N Largo exhaust system. So what does the N Largo exhaust system comprise of? The N Largo system is a decatted system for an F12 or for an 812. So what we've done on this occasion is we have installed decat pipes. We have then also installed an X pipe. Those feed through into the rear silencers either side, and then as always when you're decatting a car it will cause an engine warning light pertaining to the lambda sensors not working, and what we do to manage that is we install Capristo's OBD Wizard. What that does is it cancels that light and that light alone, so the engine warning light will continue to operate as it always has, except for the singular code that flags up when the catalytic converters are not working as the car expects them to because they're no longer in the car. We've also installed Capristo's valve remote control system, which allows you to have manual control of whether the valves are open or closed. And what this means is that actually you can live with the car, even though, and it's sort of incomparable to any other exhaust system, this exhaust system is unfathomably loud. In the best way. It sounds incredible. This is exactly what you would hope for from an 800 horsepower front engine V12 Ferrari. But you know, when the valves are closed, you can live with it. There's no two ways about that. If you want to start the car up early, close the valves, you're absolutely fine. And then if you do want to raise hell, you open them up, and then every single person, probably in your county, will know that you've taken your car out for a drive. So another really stunning Ferrari. We're sure the customer's going to love it, and we will see you on the next video. We're going to cut to some revs of the car now so you can get a feeling for how it sounds.